Hello everybody, it's AndreJMcClendon coming at you guys with a video about 5 ways to make $1,000 a month. Let's get it. All right. So the first one is going to be Uber, Lyft / like Uber Eats. So those are pretty self-explanatory. There's other videos that go into that, but the way I would do it to accelerate your income even faster is off that tip jar. So how are you guys gonna earn some tips while getting for your guys' clients? Now you guys can have a karaoke machine in the back. You guys can add some video games, like some tablets. So you guys look at the pictures and do some things that other Uber drivers don't have or Lyft drivers don't have. So you guys can lock in that clientele. So with that, you can ask them like, hey, here's my business card, and I do private driving. So if you want me to drive you around from here and there, I can do that. And with that, you can lock in that clientele. So instead of Uber being the middleman, now you can have that one-on-one. So that is one way you guys can implement extra money and extra money doing that. So let's move on to our next one, is starting some online monthly membership or service. So here's a couple ways with like Wix or WordPress, you can actually add some value and make $1,000 a month. So if you know a second language, you can teach that language to other people and have like one-on-one sessions or group sessions, and you can charge them, just say each person $100, so you need 10 people, and I get making $1,000 a month coming in. Or you can have conference calls or for motivational building or building people's confidence. Or if you have another skill, like you're really good at math or science, you can do some educational things and help people do their math work, or help people do some other things for their time, so you can make it better for them. So the next thing you can do, which I just learned about, and it is pretty amazing how much income people have made from this, and it's writing a book. So writing a book, I've seen that people have made some really good income with it. Now, if you're looking at making $1,000 a month with it, you can use just off of Amazon, which is pretty easy to use and very well known. You can sell a book for $20. All you need is to sell it to 50 people, and boom, you get $1,000 a month. Or you can write an ebook and have and sell for $5, and now you can sell for $200 a month, and boom, sell for $5 and get 200 people to buy it a month, and you get your $1,000. Cool. So our next one is, and this has been exploding, especially with social media, is having a social media marketing business. Now, I've seen so many people and met so many people who are business owners that struggle in this area. So you can go to individuals who are sports, or they're like musicians or actors, or go to restaurants, or go to other businesses and tell them like, hey, I can help you do your social media, I can run ads, I can get you more clients. I charge $500 or $1,000 per client. So all you need is 1 or 2 clients, and boom, you get your $1,000 a month. Now, my favorite way to make $1,000 a month is Forex trading. Now, trading does take a lot of skill, just like the others, but if you build the skill, you can make $1,000 a month. And if you want to find out more, go to AndreJMcClendon.com. But that's it, guys. Here's 5 ways to make $1,000 a month. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, drop a comment. But thank you guys for making it to the end. So please like, share, subscribe. Have a beautiful day. I'll see you in the next video.